Let's see economy. So in economy, from 2021, you get 16 question. In 22, you get 14. Again 14 in 23, and in 24, 16, to maximum in 2025, which is your 21 question. So again, on an average, you can take 15 to 16 question minimum will be asked from economy. All right. Again, the 70% of questions from economy are doable, easily doable. ठीक है, if you have bare minimum conceptual knowledge. So focus कहाँ पे होना चाहिए? Focus should be on macroeconomic foundation concepts. ठीक है. So your money supply mechanism of inflammation. Okay. Then just a second. So what are the key areas from where question are being asked? Okay. So the core from where the question is asked is banking monetary policy, RBI liquidity tools, repo, CIR, digital infrastructure, CBDC, markets and fiscal policy. It covers capital markets, SEBI regulations, government deficit financing. So these are the 4-5 areas from where the maximum number of questions are being asked. Your banking, monetary policy, markets and fiscal policy. All right. So be very well thorough with these topics. Then are your macroeconomic indicators, which is inflation, that is your WPI versus CPI, and external sector, including your balance of payment and FDIs. Then the peripheral questions, the 10% questions are coming from agriculture, industry, international frameworks like IMF and WTO. So you have a 1-page note for WTO and IMF, how they are functioning, about the mechanisms, and that's it from this. And revise the basic core polity in this time. Focus less on current affairs, more on this, because the maximum number of questions will be coming from these static area. All right. So this should be your